Want faster, simpler part fulfillment without the cost or hassle of physical inventory? Introducing Digital Source from Markforged. Digital Source is a digital warehouse of OEM-certified parts which can securely be licensed for 3D printing. Without having to manage physical inventory, original manufacturers save time and money, and customers get parts faster. It all takes place inside of Eiger, the software that powers Markforged. Just upload a part, define print parameters, and set the price. Digital Source locks the original manufacturer's settings. This security, combined with the production reliability of Digital Forge, gives you the trust and confidence that the part will be printed as intended. Approved customers can shop digital catalogs and print parts, but they won't be able to download, modify, or reverse engineer the design. OEMs get paid for their part designs, and customers get the flexibility to print parts when and where they're needed. Digital Source from Markforged is an easy and secure way to license OEM-certified parts and lower inventory cost, all while simplifying operations and increasing customer satisfaction. Once in Digital Source, always in stock. Digitize your inventory today with Digital Source from Markforged.